Inspector Mills, I'd like to tell you about a girl I saw at a party just the other night in Beverly Hills. Inspector Mills, I hope you find her and it don't take long. Watch my feelings for her growing strong in a war of will. Inspector Mills, I can't attempt to point you in her direction. I didn't see her walking out of the door. If I had taken my time, she'd be standing here still. Inspector Mills, I recall once in my life I felt this way before, but I let her go, close the door, walk away. Inspector Mills, I can't attempt to show the hurt in me, and just how much I need the company. Search the valleys and the hills. You gotta find her, Mr. Mills. I can't attempt to point you in her direction. I was blinded by the look in her eyes. If I had taken my time, she'd be sitting here still. Inspector Mills. Someday soon, I might be in love with you. Inspector Mills, I guess you've taken quite a look around. Yes, I've heard the word